Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to discuss about the Baeyer-Williger oxidation. In this reaction we will have a look on the reagents, reaction mechanism and the application of the Baeyer-Williger oxidation, that how we can use this reaction. So first of all, let's see its definition. What is the Baeyer-Williger oxidation? Baeyer-Williger oxidation was the rearrangement reaction which was given by the Baeyer and Williger. So let's have first look at its definition. Rearrangement due to migration of electron deficient oxygen. In different reactions we see that sometimes the group that is migrating can be migrate to the electron deficient and can be migrate toward the electron rich system. So in this reaction, the migrating group will be migrate toward the electron deficient oxygen. That is, the rearrangement will be took place on the oxygen atom in the system. So let's start the reaction. The reagents we need to start the reaction are the ketone and the per acid, and the product will we get the acid and ester. So let's we have the general mechanism, that is ketone that we are taking. Ketone का आपको structure you know very well about this. Two alkyl groups along with the carbonyl group. The ketone will react with the per acid. Per in the name of the acid represent an extra number of the oxygen atom. So when the ketone react with the per acid, it will form the ester and a carboxylic acid. How does the ester form? This per acid, that is an extra acid, that is an extra oxygen in the structure of the acid, will move toward here, the between the carbonyl carbon and the alkyl group. So in the product we will get the ester along with the carboxylic acid. Let's see its mechanism. In the mechanism, first of all, this oxygen that have an 2 lone pair with the hydroxyl group will attack on the carbonyl carbon. Why does it attack on the carbonyl carbon? Because the carbon and oxygen is representing a highly polar group, carbonyl group. The oxygen is too much electronegative as compared to the carbon. So this carbon will make a bond with this oxygen atom. Here you can see. After this, the proton will come and get the lone pair from this oxygen atom. The proton will attach to the oxygen atom and form the hydroxyl group. Here this alkyl group will attach with the oxygen atom and this bond will migrate toward the carbon. Here the real arrangement is taking place, that the bond is moving toward the electron deficient ऑक्सीजन एटम. तो यहाँ पे रीअरेंजमेंट होती है. रीअरेंजमेंट के बाद एक ऐसा हमारे पास सिग्मा कॉम्प्लेक्स और यू कैन से इंटरमीडिएट स्टेट इज फॉर्म्ड, वेयर द इंटरमीडिएट स्टेट इज स्टेबलाइज्ड बाय फॉर्मिंग द 3 resonance structures. How does it form the resonance structures? This oxygen is highly unstable. Whenever an electronegative atom get the positive charge, it is highly unstable and this bond will move toward the upward. As the electron of the oxygen move toward the upward, this carbon is electron deficient and form the bond between along with the oxygen atom that is attached to it. So the double bond formed between the oxygen. Now this oxygen is the highly unstable. So this intermediate state is stable somewhat, but will give the real product after getting a proton in its structure. Losing a proton from its structure. When the proton is loose, it's formed a ester that is formed from this ketone. Along with the ester, the peroxy acid we use will convert into the carboxylic acid, and here we get the carboxylic acid and ester by the rearrangement of the electron deficient oxygen atom. Now have a look at its application. How we can use the Baeyer-Williger oxidation as in our daily life and in laboratory. In the synthesis of phenyl acetate. What is phenyl acetate? It's a very important reagent used in the pharmaceutical as well as in the food industry. Also synthesis of the tertiary butyl acetate, synthesis of the lactone. What are the lactone? Lactone are the basically cyclic esters. This is the example. Here cyclohexanone ketone convert into the lactone along by using the Baeyer-Williger oxidation. Now whole of this reaction show that how the Baeyer-Williger oxidation reaction is use the reagents, how this reaction happens, what is the mechanism along with the application.